Oh, yes, okay.
Alright, we got it open.
Oh my gosh, bless them, they must be so scared in there.
Yeah.
Yes, I hear it.
Get in.
Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on. I need a torch,
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I need the next one.
Alright,
How
let's
deep
go
does
down
that
there.
go?
Are you guys coming in?
Yeah.
I have it.
Yeah, okay,
Let's go,
sweet.
let's go. Be careful there. Yeah.
Yeah, shoot. Oh my god. How deep is it?
It's deep.
Oh my
We're
God.
underground.
Shoot.
It's like
We're
5
coming for you, buddy.
meters.
We're coming.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, bless it. Quick, okay.
I hear it. It's in pain.
Okay.
Really, really? Okay, I'm
Yeah.
coming with you. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, what is this?
Oh, wow. I mean, I hear it, but... Alright, hold on. Don't panic.
The duck.
It could be stuck under one of these tanks.
Can you smell this? What's that smell?
It's like rotting, it's rotting. Hey, don't worry, buddy. Shh.
Smells like rust.
It sounds like it's louder deeper in, though. That's the only thing. Okay, hey, buddy. Oh, shoot.
I think here.
What?
Oh, no.
Hold on, maybe it's in here. Maybe it thought this was cat litter. Come over here.
Wait. Be careful, be
Maybe
careful.
it thought that this was cat litter.
What is that?
It looks like cat litter, but I think that's just residue from the pool. Alright, it's not here. Hold on.
We've been hearing the cat noises for like a solid half an hour now, so it's going to be getting tired. We need to... Is it down
Do
there?
you see anything there?
Oh, shit.
There's nothing there. Hold on.
I can hear
Okay,
it here. I hear something here.
Is it in the dump?
Oh my gosh.
It's not.
Could be here.
No, it's not in the dump.
Could it be in the vet? Is it not possible?
No, it's not in the dump. It's not in the dump.
Oh no.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
It's there.
Oh.
No. Wait, no.
Oh.
No, I can still... Oh, no, I can hear you, buddy. Don't worry. Oh, shit.
Hold on, I'm gonna be quiet. I want to know where the sound's coming from. I want to try and track it.
Let me check. No.
Where are you, little guy?
Maybe it's inside here.
No. Shoot, what was
Oh my
that?
God.
Was that you guys?
No, it wasn't me.
Careful with the stuff. Yeah? Very careful. Watch your stuff.
Oh my God.
Come on, kitty. Here, kitty. Here, kitty. Why? Hold on.
What?
Maybe it was walking around here because there's a piece here that's broken.
Yeah, no, that just fell. It just fell from the ceiling, but I don't know where it was attached. Where?
It could have been the cat then, possibly.
There.
No, I checked over here.
Oh yeah.
I checked over here. There's nothing.
Inside there. Are you sure?
It's not there. Oh, wait, hold on. Is that cat poo?
Shoot, I think that might be.
It could be.
Oh, it's nearby.
It has
Could
to-
you
it
check
has to
round
be
the
nearby.
corner? Have you looked around there?
No, it's not there. It's not there. Alright, hold on, boys.
I'm pretty sure I could be here. I'm pretty sure.
And we're not getting to the ductwork.
I don't know how it could get in there.
Yeah, but maybe. Yes, from there.
I must be around. It's definitely louder at this end. It's 100% louder.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
What?
What?
Whoa.
What's this?
Have you found it?
Oh my God. What's wrong?
What?
No.
Why would someone do this?
No.
Honestly, we're so sorry for wasting your time. So sorry, officer.
Listen.
Oh my. Idiot. So sorry about that. So sorry. Kids, don't do this. You've wasted our time. Absolutely wasted our time. And this officer's time as well. He could be doing other duties. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Right, should we shut this back up?